tell us about your day to day. Like what is expected of you? You've been out for about 6 months now. So tell
Mhm.
us what it's like being a Power BI developer.
I mean, being a Power BI developer and taking a huge responsibilities because I manage about other close to 10, yeah, 10 other Power BI developers. Because I work with a company, it's a parent to another five companies. So I make sure all of this is going fine. I'm talking about they bringing in the reports, looking into it, throwing it in into the Power BI service and everything, using everything, building apps and stuff like that. I mean, it's kind of overwhelming, but also it's been fun. It's me learning every day, and thanks to you, thanks to Colaberry, like you guys really prepared me for this. I mean, I was in. If you asked me way back in 2020, I'll tell you I don't even know how to turn off my system. I just know how to turn it on. Then you know.
That's it.
but but I mean, it's been fun. My day to day is me looking up reports, making sure they're all running scheduled every now and then, and everything is running fine. And, going to my meetings and give reports back to my CIO. It's been fun.
You report to the CIO?
Mm-hmm.
Dang, big time.